As of today, March 8th, 7 people have been arrested and are in prison in relation to Preston Lord's death. Preston, Billy or Biley, turns himself in, and he is the 7th. More information is coming out, including the release of the indictment. Rachel Mitchell did a interview with Robert Englund, and the tone and tenor of that interview was very, very different from the press conference on March 6th. Very different.
Case, you had a very, very large party with a lot of kids there, and so you have the group that was with Preston, and of course then you had the other group, and for whatever reason there was a decision made to attack Preston.
So many people are feeling this particular crime and state of events very, very real in a very deep way. What we know about the motive that they have released at this point is that one of Preston's friends was wearing a $10 gold necklace. It was stolen by this group of 7, some people in this group of 7. The indictment states that Dominic Turner, Treston Biley, and Jacob Meisner participated in the robbery. All 7 of them are accused of participating in the kidnapping, and it sounds like, based on Rachel's description, they are considering not a restraint but a confinement, of confining and not allowing Preston to leave as the kidnapping. That kidnapping, she confirmed, is the underlying felony that they're relying on for the first-degree murder charge. Yesterday, David Cantor, who is the attorney for Talon Renner, stated to the media that he, in his 35 years, had never seen kidnapping charged in this particular way. Rachel Mitchell confirmed that for the 4 of these attackers who are over 18, Treston Biley, William Owen Hines, Taylor Sherman, and Dominic Turner, that she has not yet determined whether or not she will seek the death penalty, but it is not off the table. Jacob Meisner, Talon Renner, and Talon Vigil are all 17 and are not eligible to receive capital murder. They are eligible, if they're convicted of first-degree murder, to spend the rest of their lives in jail. The details surrounding this case have impacted people so personally, have moved people so personally. The only possible good that can come out of this is systemic change. One thing that I'm troubled by, that I can't really get over, is the fact that it feels like this was preventable. It feels like this was preventable because William Owen Hines and Jacob Meisner were engaged in Gilbert Goon behaviors and have been arrested and held for their crimes in relation to those Gilbert Goon behaviors. And had we taken those seriously earlier, had we intervened, had they been on supervised release, it's hard to know if Preston wouldn't still be alive and if these 7 children wouldn't be facing life in prison or the death penalty. I'm going to do my best to get through this, but it's a lot. And Talon Vigil's ex-girlfriend's mom turned over evidence that he was involved in drugs and in crimes. And we, the adults who are responsible, didn't intervene. The police did not intervene. Parents didn't intervene. My plea to all of us is that we all commit to doing better, to intervening earlier.